Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace blocked. So open your Facebook app on your Android device. So when it's open, click to help support and click to report a problem. So click to report a problem. So click to continue to report a problem. The last option. So it will be loading. So there's are the problems. So you will click to marketplace and he asked what happened. So write your descriptions what you will not see in the marketplace box. So you can write the problem, share with the help support, briefly write and click to send, and also you can add a screenshot of your problem. So you will be add a screenshot problem with this description. So like this, screenshotted, add it. So and click to send button on the right corner. You will see it. So click to the send button. So it will submit it your report or problem. So this is how to fix Facebook Marketplace. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.